Are you tired of your bedroom looking like a scene from a disaster movie? Fear not, my friends, because with these side-splitting yet surprisingly useful projects, you'll transform your bedroom into an organized oasis worthy of a standing ovation. Simphome has scoured the four corners of the internet, hunting down the least known yet ingenious bedroom hacks for everyone to see. We're talking about space-saving contraptions, ingenious bedroom furniture flips, and decor so clever it'll make you wonder, why didn't I think of that? So ready your tool belt, prepare to summon your inner carpenter, and let's dive headfirst into the delightful remedy of bedroom chaos. Random dad jokes will spoil our hysterical DIYs, so get ready on your way to a clutter-free bedroom and a good chuckle. Let's roll. The DIY platform bed idea with drawers. Greetings, fellow tiny space dwellers. In the first idea, we're diving into the world of sleep and storage solutions where you'll learn how to build a regal pedestal bed that doubles as new storage. First, pick the location. Measure that cozy nook where your royal bed will reside. One thing to mind, the platform should be as big as your mattress, unless you're into extreme edge of the bed sleeping. Next, gather your wood and let the OBI cutting service transform your cutting plan. Assemble the base plates, sidewalls, and drawer fronts with the grace and finesse of a DIY monarch. With your pedestal built, it's time for drawers. Create them from Euro boxes and wooden panels and give them handles worthy of a king or queen. A simple rope will do the trick. Next, place the drawer fronts face down and start assembling the Euro box. Remember, it's all about teamwork, like online Minecraft, but with real screws and wooden plates. Connect the Euro boxes, slide them into your pedestal, and crown your masterpiece with the best mattress fit for a royal, who is yourself. And there you have it, your very own DIY platform bed with drawers, ready to conquer clutter and offer you the sleep of a lifetime. Sweet dreams, Your Highness, and long live Eurobox. The IKEA Storage Hack Wardrobe with a light wood idea. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be amazed as our intrepid DIYers embarks on a quest for the perfect bedroom makeover. It's a tale of ambition, thriftiness, and the power of IKEA hacking. A while back, our author Jenny shared her desire to flip her bedroom on its head with a crystal-clear vision of a built-in wardrobe of light, untreated wood. They reached out to carpenters only to be met with jaw-dropping €5,000 quotes. Undeterred, she took matters into their own hands, turning to the ever-reliable IKEA Ivar series. And so the hunt began in the wild world of classified ads, where she discovered 3 80 by 80 by 50 cabinets for a mere €100. But wait, there's more. To maximize wall space, she crafted 2 additional cabinets from glued wood. A word of caution, dear viewers. Patience is a virtue, as Jenny struggled with properly adjusting cupboard doors. Equipped with a ladder and the experience of the old Stallman system, she continued her journey, confronting challenges like color discrepancies between new and used cabinets. The saga continues, with a carpenter possibly aiding in the bed mission, a potential chest of drawers replacement, and the relocation of a mirror and dresser knickknacks. And let's not forget the porcelain swan, a delightful flea market find. For the last one, feel free to check your next to-buy list in your Amazon account. And if you feel entertained with this presentation so far, please feel free to press that like button or share the video. Press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already to support this channel. And with that said, let's continue our countdown with the DIY wooden clothes rail with brass tube pieces. Welcome back to the world of DIY, where this time we're tackling the ever-elusive wooden clothes rail with brass tube pieces. Prepare for laughter and learning as we dive into the organized chaos of bedroom storage solutions. First up, gather your wooden poles and give them a good snip to the perfect length. Then channel your inner woodworker and piece together those brass tube connectors like a wardrobe-creating superhero. It's like putting together a puzzle where the T-piece and bend join force to hold up your future fashion masterpieces. Now it's time to embrace your inner screwdriver-wielding prowess. Attach the wooden sticks to the pipe sections, ensuring they're secure and stable. Now remember, folks, wobbly sticks are a no-go, so if you find yourself with a stubborn wobbling stick, never fear and take a trusty 2-component adhesive to the rescue. But beware, the glue's dark side means you'll lose the ability to dismantle your clothes rail. A small price to pay for stability, right? Just make sure to double-check angles and positioning before committing to the glue. Nobody wants a leaning tower of clothes. Step 3. Keep those legs from running away with a tight cord or stylish gold chain. After all, a stable clothes rail is the backbone of an organized bedroom. Now, our wooden clothes rail may sway like a hula dancer, but it's still strong enough to hold your seasonal wardrobe. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're officially a DIY genius. So, in conclusion, as you embark on this DIY adventure, may your wooden clothes rail stand proud, your brass tube pieces shine, and your bedroom clutter bow before your organizational prowess. Let's get ready to rumble, or should I say, assemble. How to make your own daybed with MDF. Hey there, space-saving superheroes. Today we're going to build a daybed with a built-in storage, perfect for conquering the clutter in your bedroom or living room. Step 1. Paint a frame around your future daybed. It'll make an area pop and create a cozy, hollow vibe. Overnight guests? No problem. Choose a mattress that's long and comfy for your sleepy friends. Step 2. Construct the base using black MDF, then glue and screw the wooden pieces together. Remember to set the plinth 5 centimeters in for a lighter look. 2-for-1 deal. Make your daybed longer than the mattress, and voila, you've got a cute little side table too. Step 3. Pick a foam cushion or mattress for your daybed. Pro tip, buy an ordinary foam mattress and slice it to size with a hobby knife. You'll feel like a DIY ninja. Step 4. Build in some storage for those pesky sheets and duvets. Create round holes as handles and watch your clutter vanish like magic. The final touch? Paint your daybed and wall the same color to bring the area together. For extra coziness, go dark. It adds depth to your small space. So there you have it, a daybed that doubles as storage, a side table, and a guest bed. You're now the master of multifunctional furniture. Give yourself a high five and enjoy the newly organized space. A DIY bedroom wall shelf for a better bedroom interior decoration. Hey DIY lovers, are your walls looking lonely? Don't worry, I've got the ideal choice, a customizable, easy-to-build wall shelf that'll turn your bedroom space from drab to fab. So let's get to it. Step 1, gather your wooden boards, rods, clamps, and washers. You know what they say, measure twice, cut once, precision is key. Step 2, grid time. Drill 12 holes in a grid pattern on the larger wooden board. Make sure they're the perfect size for your wooden rods. Smooth those edges. Nobody likes splinters. Step 3, attach that board to the wall, but first remember to add washers to those screws. It's like accessorizing your shelf with tiny metal hats. Step 4, cut your rods into 8-centimeter pieces. You'll need 7 of those bad boys, just like the days of the week, but way more stylish. Step 5, secure the clamps onto the small and large boards. Remember, 2 for the small ones, 3 for the big ones. It's like you're getting ready for a fancy collar party. Now, let your creativity run wild. Arrange the shelves however you want by sliding them onto the rods. Mix and match and let your inner interior decorator shine. Pro tip, make it yours by painting the wood any color you like. Go for bright and bold, or keep it classic with neutrals. Either way, this versatile shelf is perfect for any room. So there you have it, a chic DIY wall shelf that'll transform your space and make your friends say, "Wow, where'd you get that?" Your secret's safe with us. Happy building! Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.